Oh my god.
Oh my
Wolverine's testing the new hardware. Shit.
Alright, you fucking goober. We got this fucking dipshit here fucking shooting an AR.
Gooner.
Fucking see. Hide break here.
Alright.
Arr.
Here, bro, win, boys.
Hey, Mason. See that fucker down there?
Yeah.
He's the one who stole our fucking stash.
Really?
Fucking show him! Show him, cunt! Let's see what we did to that fucker.
Oh no, he's not dead.
He's still moving!